All right, guys, this is Health Nibble number 88, and we're talking about heavy metal detox. And I've always talked about neurodegenerative disorders like Alzheimer's, dementia being tied to heavy metals, but so is autism. And so tomorrow we just got a testimonial today. We're gonna condense it a little bit about one of our autistic kids that we've had in our office for about 7 months. And autism is a spectrum disorder that's just huge. Some kids are really injured, and their potential is different than somebody with like Asperger's or something like that. But anyway, in our opinion, everybody needs the chance to get better. And so in this particular case, he's 8 years old and could only like mutter a few words and really couldn't understand and express himself, and was emotionally disconnected. And last week he came in, and Aaron's been the person that's primarily worked with him, and he's like, "Hi Aaron, how are you?" I mean, unbelievable stuff. And it is a really quick recovery or really quick detox for a kid on the spectrum disorder that doesn't speak well at 8, but just an amazing case. And so tomorrow we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna condense that testimonial. It's really heart-wrenching. I teared up today. Aaron and I both did. We kind of started crying at lunch when we were reading it. So hopefully I don't do that tomorrow. But the point of today's Health Nibble is that some forms of autism can be helped immensely. And like this case, it's just like a completely different kid in less than a year. So
share your why behind going into what you did. Part of it was the autistic.
Oh yeah, so when I was exposed to this Health Centers of the Future Platinum program, and they were talking about all the things that are driven by heavy metals, Dr. Pompa talked about reversing autism, and he actually had, due to a tragedy, adopt 2 of his kids are actually kids of his sister-in-laws. That couple, they were killed. So he adopted their kids, and they were both autistic, and he was able to reverse that. He also had some mercury issues that left him almost crippled. He was able to reverse that too, and now he's an amazing doctor. So anyway, that's a big part of his functional program, and I was exposed to him speaking at a seminar a couple years ago, and I thought, oh my gosh, if I can help these kids, that's what I'm in. And then as I dug in, I realized how it's affecting all walks of life from young to old. So anyway, hopefully you look forward to that tomorrow, and there is hope for kids with autism. So that's the Health Nibble.